So good day everyone, I'm Johnson Yuama A. Santos, your competency assessor, and welcome to TUP Assessment Center. So I would like to acknowledge the presence of Ms. Perez for our Assessment Center management teams, and Mr. Martinez from TESDA office. So you do not need to worry about their presence. They are here only to observe the conduct of the assessment and ensure that everything follows TESDA sufficient methodology and standards. They will not evaluate you. Before we start, let me first check the attendance. So once I call your name, please present your admission slip. So Miss Soliano. Mr. Santiago. So I also have here your accomplishment self-assessment guide, or SAG, which indicates that you understand and perform a competency under this qualification. So today, I will administer the competency assessment for beauty care, nail care, and NC2, which includes basic, common, and core units of competency. For today's assessment, we will focus on the following core unit. First is perform handstand. So the purpose of this assessment is to determine whether you are competent in the unit perform handstand based on the industry standard set under the training regulation for beauty care, nail care, NC2. If you are found competent, you will receive a certificate of competency or COC for this unit, or a national certificate or NC2 once all core units are passed. So the tasks you are required to perform includes: first is preparing the line first station, performing a complete handstand treatment, and conducting post-service activities. And for the evidence collected will be through first is demonstration of observation, because I will use the observation checklist to rate your performance. Next is the oral questioning. After your demonstration, I will ask you questions to verify underlying knowledge. And as for the assessment rules that should be followed, first is maximum performance time is 1 hour. Next is observe all safety, sanitation, and OHS procedures at all times. Next is no talking or communication with other candidates once the assessment starts. And next is I will be observing from a distance and cannot assist or coach you. And lastly is safety reminder. All tools and materials must be properly sanitized before an active use. And contraindication must be checked before starting the service. So do you have any special needs or require reasonable adjustment before we proceed? Okay, if not, I will distribute the competency assessment agreement sheet. Please read and fill out the required fields. So thank you. Since you have completed the agreement form, you are now assigned as candidate number 1 and candidate number 2. So let me please stand up and let me guide you to the workstation. Tools and materials are laid out.
Lakad.
So now here is the practical work area. So sa practical work area, dito tayo magpa-perform ng hand spa. So in the practical work area, dito po kayo magpa-perform ng hand spa.
Go.
So now you are now in the assessment area. Please familiarize yourself with the materials, tools, and equipment available. So as for the instructions, first is use You are required to perform a complete hand spa on your client or mannequin within 1 hour. And I will observe your performance using the observation checklist. After the demonstration, I will ask a few knowledge-based questions. And next is, you may call me only for clarification of instructions and for guidance. And next is, after questioning, I will provide your performance feedback. And last is, do you have any questions? Okay. If none, let's proceed. So if none, you may begin. So candidate, please ensure proper ergonomics body posture while performing the task.
Okay, please, sir.
Number 2, I have a question for you. What is the significance of hand spa?
I think it's safety. Okay, then.
So, Ms. Soriano, thank you for completing the assessment. I observed your demonstration and your strong points, including the preparation of your workstation, good product application, professional massage technique. However, you may continue improving your workflow speed, especially during cleanup. So, my decision is you are competent. You have performed the task within tested standards, and I want to tell you congratulations. Please sign the rating sheet as an acknowledgement of your result, and you may claim your certificate of competency from PUP Assessment Center, test office through email on the scheduled release date. And as for Mr. Santiago, I'm sorry to tell you, but you were rated not yet competent because which is critical requirement for this service. You may return for reassessment after 1 month or when you feel prepared. Only the failed component will be reassessed. These documents will now be submitted to the Assessment Center Manager for quality assurance and reporting to the TESDA Provincial Office for ensuring final certification. So, thank you to our observing guests, Ms.